3 freaking vehicles and can't drive them. So now the Soul is working. That's my husband's. The Audi, working on that. Then gotta do something with the Sentra. But now the Soul not working. Soul is just down and out now. So look at this. This car, I went to start it. This is my Soul, 2019, and it wasn't starting, and it was throwing codes. But look at that. I just popped the hood, and look at this. Wires are literally gone, like disintegrated. I've never seen that before. The whole wire and cable right there. It's like they busted out this right here. So this got the, I don't know what it is, coils. Please unhook from it.
I need to open this.
1, 2, 3, 5. How many I got? I don't even know how many this has because I never look under the hood of this car. 4? See, 4's on the bench.
We got flathead screw.
Wow, it's melt. If you look at that one, it looks melted like a little bit.
I'm
not
totally convinced it's melted.
I don't know. How the heck would it go like that? Y'all, right?
Like it was chewed.
That's what I was thinking when I first saw it.
The whole section is gone. I mean, if it was melted, you would be to see the plastic.
That's a walnut. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious? These bitches really got in here under this cover. This cover goes over that. Like, how is that freaking possible? How would I not know? Are you serious? Oh, easy.
Project.
Any easy entry right there. Your friends. All right, you guys. So yeah, my car wasn't starting. We took this cover off, and as you can see, there's a freaking walnut right there. Pieces of the wire right there, right there. You see a clear big chunk of the wire right there, and right there, and then just look at the wire. They completely chewed through this cloth and chewed the wire out. Obviously, it had to be a squirrel, and now I'm like, oh, there's a chunk of the wire right there too. Pretty pissed. Well, it started, but it was shaking, and the engine, check engine light was flashing. And I'm assuming these little bastards came in through that hole right there, and somehow, I don't know how they got under this. I guess that maybe they were right here, because it's not really under the cover, it's just right there, and chewed my freaking wire. And I'm really honest, like, yo, honestly, I really don't know where this wire goes. It runs under here and comes at the top of it. It comes all the way through there, goes through this, through here somewhere, and then down in there somewhere. So I don't really get under, I don't look under the hood of this car ever, really. I just take it to get oil changed, and, you know, the fluid's tapped up. You know, at the shop, because it's a new car, so I don't need to ever look in there. So I'm pretty pissed that this has happened. Like, geez, it really sucks. Already got 3 vehicles, or 2 other vehicles I'm working on. Don't need the problem with this one. Let me see if I can get I'm missing this part right here. Alright, so got that back on. So it pretty much sucks. I can't even drive this car right now. So I'm probably going to send it in to a service center or something to get this wire piece right here replaced. I don't want to do it myself because this car is still under warranty. So it sucks. So if you haven't already, you guys, give my video a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time. So I got the spark plugs right here. Alright, y'all, so here is the new spark plugs. Looking very rough.